going? Yeah, we're going here. Happy Monday. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, Pokemon noodle. Seafood shio from Japan, with all your favorite Pokemon characters all over the packaging. What a bargain. Alright. Mimi's up. I like Pikachu. Alright, let's add in our Wawa. Okay, we need 3 minutes on the timer for this one, and then I gotta get Scoot Ermagerd. So what's new with you guys? Today I'm gonna go try to walk another 10 miles at least. I'm beat. Beat down. Destroyed. Oh yeah, I was gonna see if these noodles, after sitting a little bit, have done better. These are noodles that were like, I don't know, the first time I made them, they were a little too chewy. And this time, they said, you know, cook them a little bit longer. I'm gonna see if like just letting them sit a little bit longer helps. No. They're good though. I will say that. I like that one. So that will do much better than the last one. First one I tried, it was like rubber bands. This one, it's still got a heartier chew to it, but it's not as bouncy. I like that. Do you ever feel like you're just beholden to making sure all your devices have been charged? That's how I feel lately. Now I've been going back out in the mornings when I wake up in time. I've got shoe lights, I've got a headlamp, I've got a Bluetooth speaker. I have two phones. One is for like an actual phone. The other one doesn't have internet or anything on it. It's just for uses as like a Bluetooth player. Oh, what else do I carry around with me? Oh, now that it's getting cold, I've got these. Check this out. So you charge them up, they're USB-C, you charge them up and you hold down on this button and it turns on. It's got 3 settings, low, medium, and high. Low is just fine. And you just throw them in your pocket. And I've used those things when it's gotten down to like, God, like 10, 15 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's been good. I mean, they definitely take the edge off of like burning ice cold fingers, but when they run out, you know, and it sucks. Yeah, not a fan of when they run out. Ooh, we are gonna win. What is winning? Well, winning is when I get done before I hear that alarm saying that it's time to take my son to school. Because when the alarm goes off, I've got plenty of time, but I like to get things all wrapped up here before that happens. What do I got going on this week? I got noodles coming in. I've got noodles over there that I still need to do an unboxing video. I got noodles that I did an unboxing video and already reviewed that I need to edit the video. Oh, come on. Freaking Pikachu. Okay. Okay. A little bit of the broth. Kind of hard for you to see, I guess, but I'm getting like a seafood vegetable thing out of it. It's not bad. It's nothing to write home about. It's got pictures of Pikachu and other Pokemon on it. That's what you're paying for. It's like, oh look! Oh, the kids will eat their noodles. It's got their favorite cartoon characters on it. It's like, oh. And it's got a few of these little fish cakes. This one actually has a decent smattering of little Pikachu heads. Come on. Schmatter, schmatter. Come on. Uh-oh. It's for you. It's Mr. Rutherford. Lord Claver here. That guy's great. I tell ya. I'm really a big fan of Leave It to Beaver. I know it sounds weird. It's like, really? You like that? It's like, yeah, I totally love that show. It's hella funny. It's what you call a situation comedy. Oh! I don't think any of those people went crazy like different strokes. Everybody tried to like put all these kids in these situations and all this work for them. It just didn't work out so well in a lot of the time. But that's okay. It's TV. All right, let's add our chashu. This is gonna be really tricky. Come on, Beeve. Very stark. It's gonna add to the starkness too. I'm generally loath to use this bowl because it doesn't really want to cooperate, play well with others. Sometimes it does, but usually not. What can we do? Oh, I can't use that. Use some seeds. I think that's about as good as we can do. And I am just about out of time here this morning on Instant Noodle Recipe Times. Let's let Rotato do its thing. Here we go. Party? Come on, hurry! Out of the kitchen. You can dance over here. A dance party. Well, that's all it is for me for today. This has been Hans, and this has been...
Mario.
And this has been...
Me.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
This is